Alright everyone, today we will be learning how to ride a strider. That's the strider. And that's a box of materials, and that's what we'll be using. So, the first thing you need to do is find the strider. They naturally spawn in the Nether, and you have to use an adult one if you want to ride one. Can't use a baby. So the things you will be needing is warped fungus, which spawns in warped forests, which are in the Nether. Why do you say yes, Mr. Strider? And a saddle, which you can get from killing a ravager, a leather worker chest in a villager house, or fishing. Which might sound weird, but you can get it by fishing. And you'll also need 3 sticks, 2 string, and a crafting table. So take your 3 sticks and 2 string and put it on the crafting table like that. Then take your string and put it like this. Then you'll have a fishing rod, and you might be thinking, what does a fishing rod have anything to do with lava? Oh my god, I'm sorry, mister. See, it literally just burns and comes back. Oh no, it's becoming night. Just ignore this part, alright guys? Right, so then take your warped fungus. There are 2 ways to do it. 1, break the warped mycelium it's on, or just break it. Because I'm in creative, if I break this, it won't drop, so I'll just break that. Pick up my fungus, and then open the crafting table, or you can use the 2x2 grid when you press the E key, and then put it like this. Then you have a warped fungus on a stick, and if you hold it, the strider will walk to you. He's stuck in this lava pool. Now take your saddle, and while holding it, right click the strider. You might see the saddle on their head, which is good. Then equip your warped fungus on a stick and right click them, but this does not work if you're holding plain warped fungus. You can hold anything except warped fungus. And then right click them. Wait, never mind, it doesn't work with this either. Then you have to right click them with your fighting hand and you'll be sitting on them. You still can't control their movement, so the way to do that is hold the stick. And you can also increase their speed by right clicking. I'm stuck in that tiny hole, so let me just make a bigger space. Roam free, my strider. Roam. Oh my god, do you see how much speed that is? And now let's try out of water. Slow coach. And one thing, if you're doing this in the overworld, make sure you do not go into the water, because yeah, strider can't swim. Sorry fella, but it was for the sake of the video. And that is how you ride a strider in Minecraft. Alright. Oh my god, why am I doing this? Why am I flying? Alright. Understand? 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 Now do that, and like and subscribe for more videos like this. Well, sort of like this. A few more how-to videos, but also other videos, like arts and craft videos, art videos, which mostly every single video is. Oh yeah, and one thing. Nothing to see there. Nothing to see there. And one thing, if the strider does die, it will drop its hair, which is just string, and a saddle. If it wasn't wearing a saddle, it'll just drop its hair. So, goodbye. Oh hey, look, another portal. Wait, why am I doing that in front of you?